Hellcat time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Take a look at this one. 2016 Dodge Hellcat. Billet clear coat paint. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, just a little over 16,000 is all in this one. Black premium Laguna leather seats. 6-speed manual Tremec. And of course underneath the hood, that 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi V8 Hellcat engine. Now this particular vehicle has a tune to it, a little different pulley, cold air intake, dyno sheet at 905 maximum horsepower, 780 pound-feet of torque. So we take a look at that. Front fascia up close. As you can see, paint shows well. Red seat belts added, as well as that dual carbon stripe as you see in the hood. Check all the still pictures out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, you can call us 507-386-1726. 6-piston, Brembo brakes. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Looks like it's pretty free of nicks, dings, or scratches. You can see the side glass, rear window does have a tint applied to it. Know your local and state laws when it comes to the percentage of tint that you can have on there. As far as the darkness, varies from state to state. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. Come around, take a look at the rear of the car, and once again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. You'll also be able to see a picture of the window sticker in with the still picture, so you can see exactly how this car is equipped. You're going to see that it does have the SRT tuned Bilstein 3-mode comp suspension, configurable driver's mode, performance shift indicator, GPS navigation, heated and ventilated seats, just to name a few. Of course, all your modern amenities, and then some. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. I love these Laguna seats in these. Of course, your power windows, locks. Power seat over here on the driver's side, and you can see condition of the seating surface. Also in very nice shape. Steering wheel controls. There's that 6-speed Tremec. Fire it up so you can hear it run. We'll check the exact miles too. Oh, bark out of that V8. There's your exact miles. What, 16,182 is it? Obviously, red key active and in use. Media center, touch screen. Interior, what you'd expect with a car with this low miles. Well taken care of, clean Carfax. And again, dyno sheet on this one. 905 peak horsepower, 780 pound-feet of torque. Listen to that. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let me get this hood popped. Might be able to do this one-handed, let's see. There we go. Take a look at the underside of the hood. Hood liner. Tell this car's not been driven in inclement weather. There it is. What a beast. JLT cold air intake, and like I said, a little different pulley and tune. All the horsepower you could ever want. In a low mile, nice clean car besides. 2016 Dodge Hellcat here at uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, that window sticker. Call us, 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a fun car, 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. This car has a 6-speed manual transmission. Here we go. Take her out on the road. This car's got lots of power, I'll give it that much. Very nice car. Like new car. Digital speedometer as well as needles, whichever you prefer. Factory stereo working great. Very comfortable. Bucket seats in this car. I'd say this car has as much power to go as fast as you'd want to go. Acceleration. Now, letting go of the wheel, this car stays where you put it. Feels like a new car. If there's any flickering in the dash lights, that's just our camera's frame rate, not the car itself. Maybe I'll put the window down and let you hear the exhaust a little bit. Since we're waiting at this roundabout. Very fun car to drive. Handles wonderfully. If you want one of the fast Challengers, this would be one of them. The Hellcat. Take a look at all the pictures and read about this